In a bright blue ocean lived a young, playful sea turtle named Tia. She loved to explore her underwater world, diving through coral reefs, meeting colorful fish, and playing in the gentle waves. One day, while Tia was swimming near the shore, she spotted something bobbing up and down in the water. It was small, colorful, and looked just like a jellyfish, her favorite snack. Without thinking twice, she swam up to it and took a big bite. But right away, Tia felt that something was wrong. This jellyfish tasted strange and didn't feel right in her mouth. As she tried to spit it out, Tia realized she was stuck with a thin plastic bag caught around her beak. She panicked and twisted, but the plastic wouldn't come loose. Now she felt scared and couldn't swim as fast as before. Tia's best friend, a clownfish named Nino, noticed her struggle and swam over.
"Oh, Tia, you've got plastic stuck on you,"
Nino said with concern.
"What's plastic?"
asked Tia, muffled and confused. She'd heard about it from her parents, but this was her first encounter with it.
"It's a thing humans use to make lots of items, like bags and bottles. They use it once and throw it away. But it doesn't go away in the ocean like plants or fish bones. It just floats around and can hurt animals like us,"
Nino explained. The two friends managed to get Tia back to her family. Luckily, Tia's mother, who was very wise, helped her carefully pull the plastic bag off her beak.
"Thank you, Mama.
Tia said, breathing deeply with relief.
I'll be more careful from now on."
But Tia's troubles weren't over. A few days later, while she was swimming in deeper waters, she saw something shiny at the bottom of the sea. It was a plastic bottle cap, and she thought it looked like a colorful shell. She wanted to show it to Nino, so she nudged it into her flipper and tried to carry it back. But on her way, she encountered other pieces of plastic, small, bright, and scattered all over the sand. And so, Tia the turtle became a brave little ocean hero, spreading awareness about plastic pollution and hoping that one day her ocean home would be safe and clean again. Moral of the story: plastic pollution is harmful to all creatures, big and small. By learning to recycle, reduce plastic use, and clean up, we can help protect animals like Tia and keep our oceans beautiful and healthy.
"Oh no, it's everywhere."
Tia exclaimed, looking at all the plastic bits around her. Nino joined her, sadly shaking his head. Tia exclaimed, looking at all the plastic bits around her.
"This is what humans call plastic pollution. It's dangerous for us, and it's not just here in the ocean. It ends up on beaches and even in the stomachs of land animals who accidentally eat it."
Tia realized how serious the problem was. She decided to help spread the message among her ocean friends. Together, she and Nino gathered all the sea creatures they could find and shared their story.
"We must avoid eating anything that looks like plastic, and we need to stay safe."
Tia told them.
"And maybe someday humans will help clean up our home so we can swim freely again."
The ocean friends made a pact to be more cautious and protect each other from plastic. They even decided to help by carrying small pieces of plastic to the shore whenever they could, hoping humans would see it and take it away.